Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to shape up your data in Power Query Editor. This video is meant for the basic users of Power BI. If you look at the data, the values of months are spread across the columns and one item column. I want to bring the values into single column. For that I need to select all the value columns and right click on any one of the headers and select unpivot columns. So this will make the value column as single, and then you have attribute which you need to just slightly change the column header as month. Now I want to bring products or P1, P2, P3 into columns and months in rows itself. So for that I need to select the item, that means the P1, P2, which I want to bring into the columns, and in the transform tab you can find pivot column option, and this dialog appears where you need to select instead of month value, and if you press OK you can see months are in rows and products or items are in columns. Sometimes I want to actually transpose this data and I want to come back to the original position where from actually I traveled to this point. That means I need to transpose the data. I want to bring products into rows and months into columns. So anytime if you wanted to use the transpose, you need to make sure the header has been changed to first row. So first go to the transform tab and select use header as first row so that no header is there. Now you can use transpose option. Now you can see the data in the normal shape the way it was earlier in the very first step it was, and then promote the first row as header. That way you can make the data whatever shape you want. Hope you understood the concept, and these kind of small tips I'm going to publish now onwards, and I'm keeping in view of the basic users of Power BI, and if any questions, any simple concepts you want to understand, please put them in the comment section so that I can help you. I can create many videos on those concepts. Thank you very much, and if you like this video please share with many, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.